how to extract email addresses from Google. I will not only show you how to extract email addresses from Google, but you can also extract email addresses from Yelp, from any websites, and you can also find company contact finder from Twitter, from Google Maps, etc. Okay, so there are a lot of things out here which you can see. Let's get started. I'll show you how to extract emails, and I'll also show you how to make good money using this software. Okay, so you can easily earn more than $500 every single day using this software. Keep watching this video till the end, because I will also give you some bonuses for you guys if you go and get this software today. Okay, so let's get started. Search by keywords. So once you if you want to get this email extractor, just go to topemailextractor.com. okay, so and there'll be a link to this software. Okay, so let's go and search by keywords. Now you can see I've inserted 2 keywords out here. You can add more keywords. Now in this particular video, I'm going to be using the MMO niche, that is make money online niche, because this niche is a wonderful niche, because I get a lot of conversions while doing this method in this niche. Okay, so you can also go with the health niche, you can also go with the survival niche. There are lots of niche to choose from, but if you watch this video, I'll show you a system where you can get a lot of conversions using this email extractor and that particular system. Okay, so keep watching this video. Make money online, work from home. Let's say making money, or you can say on from home. You can insert some keywords. Okay, so just let it be this one. You can choose your country. Okay, so I normally choose United States, because the people from United States, they have access to the credit cards, PayPal, everything. Okay, and I get a lot of sales when I'm promoting a product to people in the United States. But you are free to choose any other countries like United Kingdom, Australia, New Zealand, etc. Okay, so there's an option to choose worldwide also. Okay, so I think somewhere, okay, I think they have just removed it, but you can choose your emails according to the countries. Okay, so you can also target the users from a particular city, state, or region. Okay, so if you want to extract email addresses of people in a particular location, that means New York, or let's say other states. Okay, so Virginia, there are a lot of states which you can target. Okay, not only in United States, there are a lot of other countries where you can go and target it. Okay, now for the mode, just keep it as default. You just have to click OK. Now what this software will do is, let's go to the queue. What this software will do is, it will generate all these links. Okay, so now these links are related to making money online. Now you can choose to extract emails from only Google, but you can also extract emails from Yahoo, AOL, and other search engines. Okay, so but first let the software work. It will go and generate these links, and what you will get is the results out here. Okay, now what this software is doing is that it is going through all these make money online niche sites. Okay, so it will go to the Facebook page. You can see out here, it will go to the search engines, and it will find websites related to make money online, and after that it will go to inside the website, and it will crawl to extract all the email addresses from, let's say, someone commented on a website. Okay, so someone has an account in work at home forum. Okay, so now it will go and extract all those emails. Okay, and it will also extract emails of admins of those websites. Okay, now those are very high leads. Okay, so high quality leads. Okay, so you can see out here in the results, you'll start getting a lot of emails. Okay, so if you leave this software for a while, you'll get tons and tons of emails. Okay, so you do not have to worry about emails. Okay, so now this software, just leave it as it is for a few hours to get a lot of leads. Okay, so let this software work on it. Meanwhile, I'll take you to another system. Okay, so now this is the way on how to extract email addresses from Google. Okay, now you can see in this page, once you go to topemailextractor.com, on the first page, email extractor, email verifier, and email sender. Now this software can extract emails. It can also verify those emails and remove all the duplicate emails and the fake emails, and it also has an inbuilt bulk email sender. Okay, so you just have to click this button out here and go and get the software. Okay, now you'll have an email extractor, email verifier, and email sender. Okay, so make sure you choose the ultimate edition of this software. Okay, so please do not use BTC, okay, Bitcoin, to purchase this software. Just use credit card or PayPal. Okay, so because if you are using cryptocurrency to buy this software, it will take forever for them to process it. Okay, so I've tried it and I've regretted it. Okay, so just go and get this software from PayPal or credit card. Okay, and the next thing which I want to show you is the done for you system. It tells you to click here. Let's go and I'll click it for you. Okay, now let it open in another page, then I'll show you what this done for you system is about. Now once you extract emails, okay, so you can see out here. Okay, so once you extract emails, these are high quality leads. You need to promote something to them. Okay, so if you are in the make money online niche, now even if you are a newbie, you have to go and start an online make money online campaign. Okay, so you have to find the product related to make money online. Everybody wants to make money online, so just make one. Make sure you choose this campaign. Okay, so after you extract emails, head over to topemailextractor.com and click this link. Okay, so done for you system. Okay, so now you'll be taken to this page. Okay, now this is a complete done for you emails. Okay, so the emails are already written for you, high quality emails. It's the viral funnel is also done for you. Okay, so the funnel is done for you. You'll get your emails. You'll also get zero cost traffic strategies to start making money. Okay, so one way to get traffic I've already shown you is that we will extract emails, we'll verify these emails and remove all the duplicate and fake emails like this one, and we will use this email sender software to send emails. Okay, so now this software is very powerful. So just go and get the ultimate edition. Okay, so you can promote ClickBank products, or you can ClickBank products or Digistore24 products. Okay, there are lots of products out there to choose from in any niche. Okay, but if you want to go with the make money online niche, just head over to this link. Okay, done for you system. Okay, so make sure you go and click this link. Okay, if you need any help, of course I'm there for you on Instagram. You can DM me if you want to ask any questions. Okay, so maybe you want more email extractors to scale up your earnings. I have a lot of email extractors that I've tested it and I can recommend you. Okay, so I also use another bulk email sender software which is very powerful, and that's for advanced users. Okay, so if you want so make sure you get the extractor first, then contact me. Okay, so after you get either this done for you system, you can contact me. Okay, so and yeah, this system is very awesome. Okay, it will build a list for you, and it also has, just go and watch this video. Okay, it just cost you $12.95, and just go through this sales page. You'll know a lot about this offer. This is a complete done for you system. The funnels are done for you, the emails are ready for you. Okay, you also get traffic strategies on how to send traffic to it. Okay, so but you can also send traffic from the email extractor when you are sending emails. Okay, so everything is done for you. Okay, so this is something that's very newbie friendly, and you will also get products. Okay, so that's an upsell, but you'll get 12 products where you can earn 100% commission. Okay, so it's the beauty of this system is that on ClickBank you just get 50% to 75% commission, but with this done for you system you can get 100% commission. Okay, so everything is done for you, it's tested. You'll get a lot of sales in the products, the 12 products which will be inside the funnel, and emails will go out every day. Okay, so everything is like it's very easy. Okay, so I think it's perfect for newbies. Okay, so I'll just stop this for now. This system is perfect for newbies and even advanced marketers to start making money. Okay, so you do not have to uh, take this done for you system, but it is very helpful, and it will you can make good money. Okay, because you do not want to write your emails. Okay, so writing cold emails, I can't do it, but when I went and got this system and got those emails, then I started to get more sales. Okay, so actually these emails are of high quality, and the funnel is all optimized, and it's continuously getting optimized. Okay, so you'll get lots. It's like getting updated in this marketing world. Okay, because everything is updated on this system. Okay, so now it doesn't cost a lot, so why not just try it. Okay, so if you love it, just come back to my video and just write a comment below. Okay, so or you can just email me. Okay, so this is the beauty of this software. Okay, so we can extract emails, you can verify all these emails. Okay, using out here you can start the verification process, or you can also send emails. Okay, so I'll just show you what this software, the power of this software. Okay, so just click this green button out here and just give it a moment. Okay, so it will take some time. You can see out here that it has already opened. Now you just need to write the subject line and the emails. Okay, so promoting whatever product you want to promote, whether you want to promote product from this done for you system, or you want to promote a product from ClickBank, that's absolutely okay. Okay, so now the subject lines. Now if you get this software today, okay, I'll also send you 101 subject lines that gets 70% open rates when we are sending cold emails. Okay, the person receiving your email do not know you. Okay, they do not want to open emails that are not from persons they know. Okay, so if you want to get 100 subject lines that gets at least 70% open rates, just shoot me a DM and I'll send you the subject lines. Okay, and once you get the done for you system, those email swipes, they are awesome. Okay, so the sequence of emails, whatever emails email responder you are using, the sequence of emails, when you send those emails, you are guaranteed to get sales. Okay, so it's very easy stuffs. Okay, so it's also very simple. We do not complicate it, and they have tutorials on how to, if you want to use other systems. Okay, I forgot to tell. Okay, so this is Yelp. Okay, now you can also extract emails from Yelp search. Now what is Yelp search? If you do not know what is Yelp search, just go to yelp.com. okay, so Yelp is a website where you can find all types of businesses. Okay, so you can see out here I previously searched for restaurants in you need to choose a city out here or whatever it is. Okay, you need to write it out there. Okay, New York, whether you want to extract email addresses of restaurant in New York or in some other places. Okay, you just have to extract those leads. Okay, so now those are highly targeted leads. Okay, so if you have a product related related to restaurants. Okay, you want to, let's say you have a Shopify store of a physical product, okay, related to restaurant. Okay, maybe some designs which you can put it on restaurants. So you have a furniture business or whatever business. Okay, so it's the sky is the limit, not only restaurant. Suppose you just have, you are a very good web developer, suppose. Okay, so I'm just giving you an example. You just search dentist in New York City. Okay, and there are lots of contact details will come up. Okay, then you can contact those dentists and ask them to make a website. Okay, you can ask them to make a website for them. You can even outsource it on upwork.com, or you can get a lot of services from fiverr.com. Okay, so actually once you get this software and once you get this done for your system, I am going to give you more tips, and it will be a detailed one. I can't just say everything in this video, but once you start, if you are serious and if you want to start this business, then I will surely help you make your money. Okay, and remember, if you start today, if you start today, there'll be a lot of hidden bonuses which I'll send it to you. I don't care where you are from, what you want to do. I'll just send you those bonuses for you to use and make money. Okay, so if you need any help, you can always DM me on Instagram. Okay, so I'm online most of the time, at least 18 hours a day. Even when I'm on a vacation, even if I'm somewhere outside my home, I love to reply to people, because I know that initially when you're starting, you need that support. Okay, so once I give you that support, then from there you can just take over. Okay, so thank you very much for watching this video till the end. Make sure you go to topemailextractor.com and go and get these two systems today. Okay, thank you very much, and bye bye.